Justice League, Justice League, Justice League.
I miss you in the day, I miss you in the night. I miss the way we used to talk, but I don't miss your lies. I miss the way we laughed, you used to make me smile. Maybe you'll see when we can be, and then you'll come around. Could feel this pain so you could understand. I hate you're not the one, I hate you moving on. Cause my bed wasn't made for two, but I sleep here alone. I need love. I was in it all. You can't say try and hurt you too. Feels so damn good to be cold, and I don't even care if you know. I'ma let him kiss my body, touch my body, record it and make sure you find it. How you gonna trip? Boy, you've been with everybody. You started, I'ma finish. You made that bed, now we gon' lay in it. You gon' suffer. I could just switch it up on you. Used to be me that was out here stressing. So your gift became your curse. Now you miss your blessing. You gon' suffer. You gon' games like you'll never lose. You try to talk to him, can't get through. Every day he's a different dude. These are the signs of a grown-ass boy. Better run for the hills. I'm just trying to keep it real, but you can't raise a man. He's already grown, what you gon' do? You wonder why he acts like a boy. It's 'cause he wasn't raised right before you. Girl, you ain't never gon' change nobody. If he don't want you, can't make nobody. 'Cause you can't raise a man. No, no. Coming home any time of night, expecting you to let it ride. How many tears are you gonna cry? Playing games like you'll never lose. You know that the love has changed. How many times he called you out your name?